perfect timing.
Got my prep stuff.
Alrighty guys, we are rolling up on a big ol' F-250 Super Duty framed out on the north end, and the bed is literally twisted from the angle that it is sunk at, so this should be an interesting one. Hey guys, how you doing? What was your name?
Well, doing good. Did we move?
Yeah, that's fair. What was your name?
Mike Willis.
Mike, John, nice to meet you. Alrighty.
AAA too, or yeah, AAA.
AAA pays out tow people, and I'm not contracted through them. So what I would say is I've had people have luck with getting a refund through AAA because they can't send anyone out here. That's my best advice on that. I don't know if you've called them already,
No.
but sometimes it's worth giving them a call, giving them a heads up, and then you have more validity when you try and get that refund. And basically what I'll try and do at first, the quickest, is get a bridle on the front and give it a bump and see if we can get it up and moving and get you up on top. And then if you keep about 10 miles an hour, you can just cruise on out of here and I'll follow you.
If not, I got right here and it just kind of...
Yeah, sometimes if you slow down and you're coming uphill a little bit, it'll start to sink down, especially these heavier trucks, and it looks like it has open diff, so it's only 2 of them. Yeah, we'll see if we can get it going with a kinetic rope, and then if not, I have a winch we can hook up to it, so. They sure do. We'll want 30. Here, we can put the Insta up. Are you guys local, or are you guys, where are you from? Oh, okay, heck yeah. Tennessee's beautiful. You guys got elevation that I only dream about. And that I only dream about. And that I only dream about. Hoping to take some trips this year. Yeah, there you go. Are you in 4 high or 4 low? 4 low, okay, perfect. Oh, hello. So I'll just have you put it in drive, start giving me a little bit of gas. When I bump on it, I want you to just kind of treat it like porridge and try and give me a little more. If you're just spinning and not going anywhere, let off. If you're starting to move, you know, give me a little bit and we'll try and get it going. If I can't get you in the first 2 or 3 tries, then we'll hook the winch up to it, all right? Thank you. That went pretty well. And with you at the top of the hill, you can get a little bit of speed going, and once you're going about 10, you'll be all right. What's that? It depends on your truck. Every truck's gearing's different, so you would know best. Sometimes with these big trucks, you need 4 low to get the tires to spin, but if you can cruise in 4 high, then, you know, cruiser in 4 high.
It's got 7.3 in.
Exactly. You'll probably be just fine. Yeah, our Toyotas, the transmissions don't like high, so we run them in low, but this thing, you know, made to haul and stuff, probably be all right. Yeah, I almost got me a 7.3 for tow, and I ended up with the 5.7 Tundra.
We appreciate this.
Oh, of course, absolutely. I was glad I was able to.
20 minutes.
I was just getting gas for the mower, so I hadn't cranked it up yet, so it's perfect timing.
Got my prep stuff.
You make sure you rinse it off real good when you get out of here. And I'll just tell you, when you go down, there's a lifeguard tower, big yellow one, probably about a mile or so. You just keep cruising till then, you'll be able to pull off. And I'll follow you there in case anything happens. Alrighty. Yep, you guys have a great day.
Thanks, guys.
Yep. I think the camera kind of folded over a tiny bit on yank, but not too bad. I wanted to just give it a good bop so I didn't have to worry about getting stuck, but it came up. I was honestly pretty impressed. gonna send them low. I don't know if you're gonna make it up that incline. You might have a better shot backing it up a few feet, wait for the wave to come out and slide along the low side. And then if not, I can always hook up back to the front of you and pull you down. But it's another elevation right here, and this thing's a heavy girl.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
I'll just hook up to you. Try and back up a few feet so it'll be easier. Christian!
That sucks, huh?
Yeah, it does.
That sucks.
That's a heavy girl.
You guys gonna be able to get him out?
Very good one. All right.
Hey, entertainment. Go with some Toyota.
Yeah. We'll just take it down to the ramp. Same thing, wheel straight with me, a little bit of gas. Once we get it moving, we'll be just fine. I honestly thought you'd be able to get some momentum, but that's a heavy girl, yep. Well, there's a lot of elevation here, which just, it hurts it. If you were coming downhill, you'd probably be all right, but.
Much later.
All right, here we go.
Yeah, brother.
I'll probably be all right here.
Yeah, it seems like it's going good now.
Yeah, that's in towards that north end gets real soft.
Good.
Hey, oh yeah,
I
don't worry
appreciate
about it.
you, man.
Thank you, I appreciate you. You guys have a great day. We'll make sure you get on the concrete.